Jeannie. Really? I got the job, a promotion actually at the dollar store? That is superb, most excitable. Wow. Did you hear that, buddy? Dollar General really likes me. That's awesome, Jeannie. Thank you. You know what, bud? This day is really great. It's starting to be a really great day. I just hope all my luck continues. More money for Friskies, Friskies, Friskies. Meow. Ow! Jeez.
Is that Big Sis? Big Sis! Big Sis, what are you doing out here?
Little brother. Is that you, little brother? Crazy story. I got attacked by a bird out of nowhere. It just was banging my head and I had the stick and I was beating it. I've never seen a bird act like that, ever.
What are you doing out here anyway? You know what? Last summer, my cousin Edna got attacked by a bird. Damn near picked one of her nipples off. Anyway, I'm sorry to hear that. Glad you're okay.
But anyway, really good news today, brother. I got a promotion at the dollar store, the Dollar General right up the road. Yes, I got that. Now I can get that used Corolla that I wanted so badly.
That's righteous news, Big Sis. And guess what? My company, we just went through with this $1 trillion deal. I'm gonna be able to get a Ferrari, maybe. I can even give you a ride in it sometimes, if you want.
Take a ride in your Ferrari? You betcha! What is it?
Those damn birds, they're attacking us. They're pecking at our heads and everything out there.
They're insane. They're just trying to kill us, I think.
Can we take refuge in your domicile?
Please, help us.
You say that the birds are attacking out there? I noticed that they've been acting erratic lately, shitting on people's heads and whatnot. I think it's because of climate change. One that will impact every person on Earth, and a challenge which will require collaboration across the public, private and financial sectors to address. Business leaders play a crucial role in the transition of a net zero economy and are uniquely positioned to leverage their resources to collaborate and innovate on sustainability solutions across industries and disciplines. And therefore, it is mankind has caused these birds to start acting erratically and wipe us off the planet. Listen, you guys are more than welcome to stay here and just take refuge from those birds right now. I'm sure you're starving from what you've been through out there. I'm gonna go rustle out some taters. Why don't you guys sit down and watch some television, and I'll be right back. I'll bring weapons for us, and we can go out there and take care of these birds once and for all, because I feel like it's our duty as Americans, to look after our fellow man. All right, while he's rustling up some taters, I guess we'll see what's on.
Okay.
Love, boy, island.
How are you and Marcus?
I'm glad you asked, girl, okay? Marcus, I don't think Marcus is emotionally available right now. He's physically available, but he's not emotionally available. And you know what? I don't think that he even gives a fuck about me being an Instagram influencer.
Cassandra's got another thing coming. Does she think she's going to win Marcus and win this whole entire show? I don't think so. I'm the one with the TNA up in here, and I'm going to win Love Boy Island. Well, what do you think that you're going to do about that? Because that's a problem.
I don't know. I feel like I should just kick him in the balls. Or maybe I should just date Jacob. Molly is a backstabbing whore, okay? And if she thinks she's going to gobble up all the guys in here, she has another thing coming. Do you know what I mean? Do you know what I fucking mean?
I think Jacob's way more hotter than Marcus anyway, and he might just be good for over the top. He follows me everywhere like a puppy, but you know,
And that hair.
I actually like that kind of behavior.
She's
but
pretty cool.
I just don't think I can emotionally handle this.
I am, and actually, I don't think you have the looks to be on the show.
Do you really mean that? How can you say that after all we've been through? I mean, remember we went paddleboarding? We were fucking paddleboarding together, girl.
We interrupt this regularly scheduled
What happened to our
program
show?
to let you know that birds all over the world are attacking people.
What? Listen.
FEMA has instructed everyone to stay inside and wait further instructions. And may God be with you.
Birds are attacking all around the world, not just here.
Wow. We really gotta get
Making us, yeah, these birds are everywhere. It's global.
Oh my
Forcing us to take refuge into our own domiciles.
Jesus. What are we gonna do? We gotta get out there.
Yeah, let's wait for the owner of this house to come. He's got weapons, he says.
Yes, we'll wait.
You guys, you're gonna be really mad at me, but I forgot to buy potatoes. But we can find something to eat later. Are you guys ready to go out there and fight these birds? Fight for our nation? One nation indivisible, under God? Yeah, sir, we're not worried about the potatoes. I agree with you. We should go out there and fight these birds, or we're going to be stuck inside forever. We just heard a news bulletin. FEMA's telling us not to go outside, but if we don't, who will? Our stupid military? I think not. Let's do this. Now that we're out here, I think we should split up. Let's do it. Let's kill these fucking birds.
I'm gonna take care of these birds, even if they take my life.
I agree we should split up. That way we can cover more area in this treacherous land of killer birds. And guess what? I got weapons for us. Clothes hangers.
Awesome.
I was raised an American, and I'll always be an American. And I'm gonna protect this land at whatever cost. Come on, birds. Come at me. Give me what you got. Whatever you got. I'm finna F you up.
Big sis, is that you? Oh my God, I'm so glad you're alive, big sis. Big sis, you're alive. The birds, it doesn't seem like they're attacking anymore. Big sis, are you okay? You're freaking me out. Big sis, it's your brother. What the fuck? Big sis, what's wrong? Are you sick? Did you get bit by the birds? Big sis, you're freaking me out. Hey! Oh my God! Whoa, what? You're saying you're hungry? You're hungry? Oh, I can feed you. You're gonna be okay. We're gonna fix you. Don't worry, sis. I'm gonna find you something to eat. What the fuck do bird ladies do? Just like other birds? Worms? Does this get you excited? Is this what you want?
Was that good? Was that good, sis?
Sis, we gotta get you to a scientist or something. Or a doctor, somebody that can change you back. I can't believe you're transforming into a fucking bird. What? What? Are you saying what I think you're saying? Kill you? If that's what you want, sis, I don't want you going on living like this, like a fucking freak. Although we could make sideshow money, we could put you in the circus. No. All right. You want me to put you out of your misery? All right. I can bash your head in with a rock or a stick. I can't believe I'm gonna do this. But you can't go on living like a fucking bird lady. All right, it's gonna be quick and painless, okay? 1, 2. I can't do it. I can't do it, big sis. Why don't you just be my bird sister? You can be my bird sister. We can take you to the park and let you fly around with all the other birds. Yeah. Why don't you just stay here, fly away, make nice with the other birds, okay? And come to visit me sometime. I can't kill you. Just go make nice with the other birds. I'm gonna leave you here. Visit me sometimes. I'll put a bird feeder out back. I can't do this. I can't do this. I gotta leave you. It's been over a year and 3 months since the bird event. Scientists say global warming played a role in making the birds sick. To this day, I can't understand why Big Sis turned into a bird lady. Not a day goes by I don't think about her, flapping her little wings with the other birdies. Hopefully, she met another nice bird, and they made babies, started a nice family. The birds haven't attacked since that day. I strongly believe Big Sis sacrificed herself to the birds and saved us all. She was like, "I'm a bird now, bitches. Stop hurting people or else." She had such an attitude. One day, I was outside, thinking about her, and something magical happened. I saw her. She came back to me. She shit on my fucking face. Ugh! The fucking bitch shit on me. Thanks a lot, sis. At least I know she's still out there, flapping her wings. Even if she did shit on my face. Fly high, sis. Fly high.